This morning, something appeared on FreeCAD's GitHub page. The second complete build of FreeCAD 1.1 RC2. This build is focused on final testing and catching any last-minute issues before FreeCAD 1.1 is finished. Please note that when installing Windows, you may see a warning. This is to be expected, and the final FreeCAD 1.1 release will not show this message. You may also see a similar message from Gatekeeper on Mac. I've included a link that should help to bypass this message. I have very limited access to a Mac, so please, if this doesn't work, add to the comments below. Also, on installation, I found the version number still said 1.1 RC1, but the date shows the correct release date, and the hash, which takes you to the GitHub page, shows reference to the tag 1.1 RC2. This is fine, and it looks like the problem has been reported. Thanks go out to the developers and the wider FreeCAD community for the incredible work that's gone into getting FreeCAD 1.1 to this point. With hundreds of developers, translators, and contributors, it really shows that this is not just a bedroom project, but a maturing, viable open source alternative.